What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a men's fashion lookbook for you. Alright, I've been posting these for about 3 or 4 years now, which is amazing. But every time I post it, you guys ask me, Alex, how did you shoot it? How did you get those shots? And it's funny because it all started with a phone, just like this. This is how I shot my first, what, Justin, like 5, 6 lookbooks? Maybe more, and it was all with the phone. So many people ask me, do you have like a super crazy professional camera? And you know what? This is how it all started if you go back on my channel. So I'm gonna be shooting this whole lookbook with today's sponsor, Zoom Smooth XS, which is this gimbal right here. This is a very affordable gimbal that you can get and then just use your phone to shoot very stable shots, and it's going to look incredible. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you this first outfit that I have for you guys. It's gonna be a summer lookbook. Let's do it. So obviously the first thing you guys need to do is find a location. We found an amazing location here. Justin knew about this place and he's just like, all right, we got the place, we got the equipment, let's get some shots. Let me show you guys what we captured here because this place is incredible. Killed it, crushed it, and he also found this location, right? I think location is so important when it comes to these lookbooks and taking photos, and this place is awesome. So this is the second location that we picked, and it is awesome. You know, this is golden hour, so the sun looks just beautiful. We were able to use some of the best features of the gimbal to get amazing detail shots. You know, it's always important to get these detail shots when you're shooting lookbooks because you want to show all of the accessories, all of the fabric of each of the clothing that you're wearing, each of the items that you're wearing. We shot the shoes, we got the accessories, we got the full outfit. We did good.
Yeah. The amazing bit about this that I really like is the tracking feature. So being able to select a person or object, have it lock onto that, even when you move left and right, it makes it super easy to get a super professional shot.
And smooth, very smooth. So yeah, let's go for this number 3 right now. Outfit number 3. You ready?
Perfect.
Let's do it. And this is the third location that we picked for this video. I mean, this is awesome. The sun's coming down, but it's reflecting against that glass in the back, which looks incredible. We were able to capture everything with the Zune Smooth XS. This thing is so small and nimble. It's so easy to use. You can prop it against on a table if you want, on a desk, on the floor, anything you want, or you can just use this tripod leg here as a second arm so that you can hold it together and keep it really stable as you're moving along. And again, just press the button here twice and you got landscape mode. This thing is awesome. It brings me back to good times, man. Like 4 or 5 years ago when I first started, this was all that I used. So this really works. You don't have to spend a lot of money on expensive items. You can just buy one of these gimbals and use your own phone, and that is really it. We were able to capture a bunch of accessories for this look, and I'm so excited with how everything turned out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed this video, if you have any questions about these lookbooks and how I shoot them, and of course, let me know what else you guys want to see here on the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.